It is Saturday, May 24th, and it looks like a hurricane has, or tornado has hit. We look like we're in the aftermath of a hideous storm. And speaking of storms, it's supposed to rain around 3 o'clock.
So I've got to get some stuff straightened and cleaned up. Yeah, been trying to move forward and just making things fit and going through.
So what have you been up to the last few days?
We've been figuring out walls and cabinets.
We haven't been. He's been figuring out walls and cabinets. I've been cleaning the house still. Spring cleaning.
So got most of the walls established here. I went a little far on this one. I should have come out this way because I'm going to have to move this a little bit, but it's almost there. And pretty much mostly that. Figuring out the rest of this layout, trying to make sure all of the plumbing is concealed, but still maximizing our space. Same song.
Same song, different dance, different day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's mostly that. Trying to make things work with a lot of the stuff that we have, use up a lot of the things that we can, and minimize the purchases if we can.
Yep. Cool.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Ooh, yeah.
Always an adventure.
Always. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.